What is up, everybody? Today we're back with Build a Boat for Treasure. Uh, yep, we're making the boat as good as possible. So it keeps flipping over, so I guess I'll just have to add more wheels to stabilize. These are front wheels. I don't want it to go to the button. Don't go to that. Alright, that goes to the seat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh wait, that was my front wheels. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, time to work on the doors. Okay, that's kind of loud. Oh, it's working. Why is it? Alright, the boat. Save. Actually, I need to do like protection for the wheels. This game has like a really good ambience. If you know what I mean. Alright. Yeah, you're getting kicked. Off. Oh, I kicked them. I remember I used to get mad when someone kicked me out. And now I'm inflicting the same terror on other people. Oh, it's gone now. Okay. It's good now. Bolt. What the? How? I'm missing a wheel right there. How is that happening? Alright. So I'm gonna add a thruster now. Who the heck is that? 1, 2, 3. Alright. Oh wait, no, I got locked out. No. Oh, I never did add a back wheel. Alright, time to add some thrusters. It should be gone. Van the Man. Van the Man seems kind of cool. No. What the heck is he doing? It's inside my boat! Please, get rid of that right now. Okay. I'm gonna save my boat. Let me make some seats for him. Seats. Some seats. Sit in seat. I don't know. Alright, let's see how far we can get. What do these even do? Did they give you extra gold? I hope. Does opening those chests give you extra gold? Alright. We're actually doing really good. Time to control. All my motors are gone. I have one motor left. I'm gonna get into Van the Man's boat. Oh my gosh. How did I die? Okay. I'm gonna do quick gold. Go get him. Oh. Okay. Alright. Do you wanna do Cloud Quest? No. Man. Where's my trip back? Where's the cloud? Never mind. Actually, I think I might add to my boat. Yeah, I might just add to my boat right now. I'm gonna add Van the Man because he seems like a cool guy. And like bacons are my best friends. Oh, I'm out. That's the sound it makes when you break it. Alright, the boat. Save. Wait. Um. What are you trying to do? Idiot, don't kill me. It's not that deep. Bruh. That's my chair. Why did you launch? Why did you launch? Why did you launch? Yeah. I'm spawning my boat back. Oh, he died. Oof. Don't launch yet, okay? Launch when I say. I didn't even see he sent me a private message. Where is he? Fan the Man. I'm always so scared that he's gonna like launch without telling me. But what does? Yeah. No. Alright. But then. Alright. I'm gonna save. Candy. I am going to be mad if he does this one more time. Oh. He look funny. Launch. Oh. Where did he go? Van the Man. Van the Man. I'm coming back for you, Van. I'm coming back for you, Van the Man. Get on, Van. Van the Man. Vanda Man, get on. Come on, Vanda Man. Vanda Man. Come on. Get on my boat. Oh, I broke my other motor. I got sent flying. Alright. Go. Oh crap. Oh crap. Alright, that's the end of this episode. See you guys in the next one. That was low-key fun.